Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study about maps speak to us. Now there are a few elements or symbols or colors which are present on the map. Now we have to understand those things so that we know what they tell us. Now the first thing is title. Whenever we go to the shop, we have to tell the name of the map there, okay, so that we can do our work. So title is the heading. Okay, so when you go there, you have to say that you need India political map, or you need a political world map, or you need a outline, or you need an outline map. Okay, that is the title, that is the heading of the map. Next thing is, as we learned before, directions of a map. Directions are of two types. Cardinal directions, yes, we know this. They are the main directions: north, south, east and west. Then intermediate directions, these lie between north and east, that is northeast, then southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay, these are called cardinal directions, main directions. Then intermediate directions that come between the cardinal directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. So this must be clear. Now we will come to the scale. Now like your scale you have with you that has centimeter and inches. In the same way, on the map also we have scale. Now this scale tells us the ratio of distance between two places on the map to the actual distance on the ground. Like for example, the distance between Mumbai and Goa approximately is 600 kilometers. Now we cannot draw the 600 kilometers map. Okay, so they have reduced this 600, that is each centimeter, yes, 100 kilometer is converted into 1 centimeter. So every 100 kilometer on the map we can measure it as 1 centimeter. So the distance between Mumbai and Goa, if it is 600 kilometers, then this 600 will become 6. 6 into 1 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter on the map. Okay? In the same way, if the distance between Bangalore and Chennai, if it is 500 kilometers, so on the map if you measure the distance, it will be 500 will become what? 5 centimeter into 1. Okay, so it is 5 centimeter. Understood? Okay. Then next we will come to colors. Now colors on the map have got we have different colors on the map. Like for example, if the water is very deep, then it is dark blue. And if the water is shallow, then it is light blue. Then for mountains, yes, for mountains it is denoted as dark brown. Okay, then for plains, green color. So for different things we have different colors on a map. Next we will come to the symbols. I would like you to open page number 4. Page number 4. Now you can see there, under symbols, we are having different symbols. Like for broad gauge, middle gauge, railway station, okay. Then we have for road, metalled road, unmetalled road. Those are the symbols given on the map. Then for boundaries, international boundaries, we'll have one symbol. Then state boundary, then district boundary. Then rivers, well, tank, canal and bridge. Then on the next page, if you want to know where is the post office, Then it is denoted as PO. Where is Post and Telegraph Office? PTO. Then Police Station? PS. All these symbols are given on the map. Then we have key. Key of the map. Now keys are also known as legend. Now every map, if you see, turn to the previous page. Yes. Now if you see there, you are having physical map. Now on the physical map, go towards the south. Yes, in the corner there, you have a legend like this. Okay, you have a box. So because this is a physical map, here we are having different boxes. Okay, each box will have a different color and it will tell you where there are mountains. Mountains will be in dark brown, plains will be in green, deserts will be in yellow. So these are called as the legend or key of the map. Now if you go to the thematic map there, you can see there is a legend box. Now this map is the map telling you the different soils of India. So here we have in pink color, that is what is the name of the soil there? Alluvial soil. So for different colors, we have different soils. Okay students, today you have learnt all these things. Maps speak to us, title of the map, direction, scale, colors, symbols on a map, legend or key. Thank you students.